How many megabytes are there in a terabyte, TB? Bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes are units used to measure digital storage capacity. They increase in size by a factor of 1024. 1 terabytes, TB, is equal to 1024 gigabytes, GB. 1 gigabyte GB is equal to 1024 megabytes, MB. Therefore, 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes, asterisk 1024 megabytes, slash GB, equals 1024 asterisk 1024 megabytes. Which one of the following is used to convert a high-level language into a form which the machine can understand? High-level language. This is the code that programmers write, and it's designed to be easy for humans to read and understand, like Python or Java. Machine language. This is the language that computers understand, but it's just a bunch of zeros and ones, not very human-friendly. The compiler takes the high-level language code and translates it into machine language so the computer can execute the instructions. Compilers translate all the code at once, interpreters translate code line by line as the program runs, and assemblers translate a low-level language into machine code. In the field of artificial intelligence, which method is used to test a machine's ability to match the human-level intelligence? The Turing test aims to determine if a machine can exhibit human-level intelligence by seeing if a human evaluator can distinguish the machine from another human in conversation. In AI, what does NLP stand for? NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It's a branch of AI focused on enabling computers to understand and communicate using human language, like English or Mandarin. Think of it as teaching computers to read, write, and talk like we do. Which one of the following is not a project of National E-Governance Division, NEGD? While Umang, OpenForge, and MyScheme are all projects of the National E-Governance Division, NEGD, Sankalp is actually a program by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE. It aims to improve short-term skill training in India. Who among the following has not been the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Shri Prakash Chandra Sethi, Shri Govind Narayan Singh, and Shri D.P. Mishra have all served as Chief Ministers of Madhya Pradesh. Shri V.C. Shukla, while a prominent politician from Madhya Pradesh, held positions at the national level, such as Union Minister for various portfolios, but not the Chief Ministership of Madhya Pradesh. When was the Madhya Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act passed by the Legislative Assembly? The Madhya Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act was passed on the 30th of December 1993. This act was a significant step towards decentralizing power and promoting local self-governance in Madhya Pradesh. It established a three-tier Panchayati Raj system in the state, with Gram Panchayats at the village level, Janapad Panchayats at the block level, and Zila Panchayats at the district level. When was the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act passed in Madhya Pradesh? The Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act was passed in India in 1989. It's important to note that this act is a national legislation, meaning it applies to the entire country, including Madhya Pradesh. It was enacted to prevent atrocities against scheduled tribes and provide a mechanism for justice and rehabilitation for victims. Which three tribes in Madhya Pradesh have been targeted under the PM Janman Yojana? These three tribes, Baiga, Bharia and Seheria, are particularly vulnerable tribal groups, PVTGs, in Madhya Pradesh. The PM Janman Yojana specifically targets PVTGs across India to improve their socio-economic conditions. Which three tribes in Madhya Pradesh have been targeted under the PM Janman Yojana? Morena district has the lowest proportion of tribal population in Madhya Pradesh, according to the 2011 census. Who was the author of the Anand Raghunandan play? The author of the play, Anand Raghunandan, is Vishwanath Singh. He was the Maharaja, king, of Rewa, a princely state in India, and is credited with writing the first play in the Hindi language. Anand Raghunandan is a historical drama that draws inspiration from the life of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Devalikar is associated with which genre of art? Devlalikar is associated with painting. Dattatreya Damodar Devlalikar was a renowned painter and art teacher who established the Devlalikar Kala Vithika, an art institution in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. He played a crucial role in shaping the art scene in Indore and mentoring many prominent artists. Who is the author of Bhavishyat Katha? The author of Bhavishyat Katha is Dhanpal. He was a Jain poet who wrote this epic poem in Apabhramsha, an ancient Indian language. Bhavishyat Katha is a fascinating story about a merchant named Bhavishya and his exciting adventures. The famous Hindola Toran is located at which place? The famous Hindola Toran is located at Garaspur, Madhya Pradesh. This impressive structure is a surviving gateway from a 9th century Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu. It's known for its intricate carvings and unique architectural style. Revolutionary Mardan Singh was associated with which place? Revolutionary Mardan Singh was associated with Banpur. He was a prominent leader during the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and led resistance against the British in the Banpur region. His bravery and contribution to the freedom struggle are still remembered today. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 was This year, 2024, the theme of the World Environment Day says land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. It's tied in with bringing back healthy land, keeping deserts from developing, and managing water shortages. Trees, healthy soil, and clean water are imperative for a solid planet. Under Civil Service Incentive Scheme, what amount in rupee is given by Madhya Pradesh government on passing the preliminary examination of Union Public Service Commission? The correct answer is 40,000 rupees. The Madhya Pradesh government provides this financial incentive to encourage students from the state to pursue careers in the civil services. It's a great way to support those aspiring to serve the nation in important roles. Which word has been declared by Cambridge Dictionary as the word of the year 2023? The Cambridge Dictionary's word of the year 2023 was hallucinate. It's interesting because they chose this word to reflect the growing use of artificial intelligence and how these systems can sometimes generate incorrect or misleading information, which is referred to as hallucinating. Madhya Pradesh State Archery Academy is located in which of the following cities? The Madhya Pradesh State Archery Academy is located in Jabalpur. It was established in 2013 to promote and develop archery talent in the state. The academy provides world-class training facilities and coaching to aspiring archers. Ramesh Chandra Lahoti, born in Guna, Madhya Pradesh, was which order of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Ramesh Chandra Lahoti was the 35th Chief Justice of India, serving from June 1, 2004 to November 1, 2005. The largest cave sculpture of Udaigiri, an ancient example of Udaigiri art, is the largest and most ancient example of Udaigiri cave sculpture is Varaha Avatar. This impressive sculpture depicts Lord Vishnu in his boar incarnation, rescuing goddess Earth, Bhudevi, from the depths of the cosmic ocean. It's a masterpiece of Gupta-era art, showcasing the incredible skill and artistry of the sculptors. Dhanabu songs are related with which ceremony? Dhanbau songs are associated with birth ceremony. These joyful songs are sung by women in the Bundelkhand region to celebrate the arrival of a newborn, particularly a male child. They express hopes for the child's well-being and future prosperity. Which tribe of Madhya Pradesh built Magnath Pillar, Khambh? The Korku tribe of Madhya Pradesh built the Meghnad pillars or khambs and celebrate the Kham Swang festival around them. Umathwadi is a type of dialect of Umathwadi is a dialect of Rajasthani. More specifically, it's considered a dialect of Malvi, which is one of the major subgroups within the Rajasthani language family. Umathwadi is primarily spoken in the Rajgarh district of Madhya Pradesh. Which region of Madhya Pradesh is famous for wooden toy industry? The region in Madhya Pradesh famous for its wooden toy industry is Budhni. This small town located near Bhopal has a long tradition of crafting colorful and unique wooden toys. These toys are not only popular locally, but are also recognized for their craftsmanship